Hey guys, so today I'm going to be restocking my fridge. So on the first shelf I'm going to have all the liquids like milk, strawberry milk, chocolate milk and juice. Then on the second shelf I'm going to have some eggs and some meats like chicken, steak and sausages, and I'm also going to have some cheese. Then on the third shelf I'm going to have my fruits like pineapple, bananas, strawberries, apple and orange. Then on the last shelf I'm going to have my vegetables. I'm going to have some lettuce, some cucumber, some tomatoes, even though tomatoes are fruit, and some carrot. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye Toca besties!